Hello students, in this video we are going to study about how to insert the records in the table by using the LibreOffice software. So here we have already created a table. The video is already uploaded on the channel. Now to insert the records in the table, that we are going to do in this video. So to insert a record, first of all you should open the database. After opening the database, you can see you have already created a table. So the EMP table I have created. So I just have to click on this table, then the table is going to open. So I'll click on open. Now in this table I have already written 4 fields, that is EMP name, EMP address, EMP mobile number and EMP number. Okay, now you just have to fill the details one by one. So let us give the names. So the name which I'll give here is Amer, and the address is any city whichever you want to give, and mobile number is whatever you enter, and EMP ID, so ID will be 101. Next is the next name I'll give here is Kedar. Here the address is Beed, then the contact number is, and later on the EMP number is 102. Again for the next entry or the next record, I'll give the name as Avdut. So the address for him will be Solapur. The contact number I'll be giving here is, and then I'll give the employee number. Employee number is in primary key, so make sure that it has an unique entities or unique entries. Next is Aditi. I'll give here the city as Pune again. I'll give the contact number. So this is the contact number. Then I'll give the employee number. Next entry which I'll be doing is Shweta. So here the address will be Nagar. I'll give the contact number here, like whatever is the contact number, and the EMP number is 105. So this is all about the data entry which I have done in this table. Now to save this data entry, you just have to click on the save. So this save current records will get saved automatically. So this is how you do the data entries. So total 5 records we have inserted. Now if you want to edit the data, you just have to click on the edit icon. Again you can start editing it. Okay, so after saving your whole data, whatever you have entered over here, you can just save it and view it anytime whenever you require it. Now if you want to do any kind of editing, if you have made some mistake while entering, or if you want to change any type of entry over here, so you just have to click here on edit data. So here I can edit any of the cell. So I have made the EMP number as 106. Here the contact number I'll decrease one number. So this is how I'm making the changes as per my requirement. So here I'll write as Delhi. Okay, so this is how I have edited it again. So now after editing it, I'm just going to save it again. So again if I save it, so the new updated thing is going to be saved. Now if I close this table, so again if I open, you can see that the new updations are being saved. You can see here the employee number is 106. Again here the one number I had deleted from the mobile number, and here instead of Beed I have written Delhi. So this is how the updation of the records can be done very easily using LibreOffice. Now the next thing is deleting a record. So to delete a record, First of all, you have to open a table. Now click on the record. Whichever record you want to delete, you just have to click on that record. Click on the edit menu and delete the record. So here you have a delete the record option in the edit menu. So if I click delete the record, so this Kedar, employee name Kedar, employee address Delhi, this employee number 102. So this record will be deleted. So I'll just click on yes. So now you can see that that record is deleted. So this is how you can delete the record permanently. Once again, I'll show you. Just go in edit. After going in edit, click on delete record. So whatever record you have selected, if you click on yes, the record gets deleted. If you want to enter the record, go in edit data. You can enter the new record here and you can fill the details accordingly. Okay, so this is how you can enter, delete, update, make the changes conveniently as per your requirement in LibreOffice table. So this is very easy as compared to Access. So this is how you can make a table. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.